can't, I feel like it can kind of, it's barely a muscle shape. You can see it better on this arm that's not tatted. This arm that's tatted, you can kind of see it, but not really. I'm a little noodle, and I just started. I'm a mommy. I'm talking to my son right now. So yeah. 1K viewers. Hey everybody. Oh, you like without the filter? Thank you. Thank you guys. I look like a bitch with that filter. I was like, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm like a fucking weirdo. Alright. Figure out. Oh, I got a crown. I want another crown. Give me another crown. I need to figure out what my next cosplay project is going to be, because I need to do something to get a big boost in followers and subscribers and supporters, stuff like that. I'm thinking of maybe doing my Twilight, my Star Wars Twilight body paint. A heart! Thank you for the love. I'm pouring this in my French press real quick. And then I always pour the rest of the hot milk down the sink. And I rinse my sink out really good. Ooh, the steam. The steam is going up. I'm a very bubbly person. I honestly, 1.6K viewers. Hey everyone! Pornographic content, by the way. I do have a Patreon page. It does show tasteful nudes, but nothing too raunchy. There's no porn allowed on Patreon. So I have a Patreon club, and then I have an OnlyFans club. So for people who want to like see my cosplay and my high-res photo sets every month, and get if you want a Polaroid in the mail or a signed print in the mail, sign up to my Patreon page. If you want to join my OnlyFans, and there you can get like my raunchy content. So yeah. Twitter, my Twitch, and my YouTube for free. I'm trying to get my blog going. Honestly, I want to start writing all of my sex stories. You know, people used to love them, so I just want to start writing those again. I want to have awesome adventures and dates around the countries and all that stuff. In 10 years, I see myself in a house that I own, maybe with a second kid, with a big workout routine, my diet, my tattoos. I will have gotten like spoiled by then for sure more, because I feel like my 20s, I'm 28 now, my 20s I've spent like hustling and working and trying to get shit started, and I'm about to hit my 30s, and I feel like my 30s is going to be a lot of like self-care and pampering and loving and adoring myself and my health and stuff like that. So yeah, my favorite video